We have in today a 2004 Ford Freestyle 3.9 motor, multiple codes, runner control, cylinder 3 misfire, and a couple of keep active memory codes, which are probably from a battery disconnect. I noticed this has a brand new alternator in it. Probably was done sometime recently. The issue is going to be its original plugs and wires, so it's going to wind up getting a tune-up. The original issue that caused the misfire on this car was the runner control. Runners are kind of like old-style chokes. They are inside the intake and they open and close. They close completely at cold start for emissions reasons, and after the car warms up they're supposed to open completely so you get good airflow. It's part of the air-fuel system run by the front oxygen sensor. This one, there's a little rod. It goes from the runner control, which is this guy here, and opens and closes these little flaps. This one has become disconnected in the back. Until we get it taken out, we're not sure if it's just a clip issue or an actual snapped off the control issue, so we're going to have to disassemble it to find that out. Tune-up on this car, as you can see, because the plugs are all the way back there. So we're hoping we have enough room if we take off the top where the windshield wiper assembly is and the cabin air filter is, to be able to get the tune-up done. Otherwise, we're going to have to remove the intake, which in our case, if it winds up needing a runner control, we'll probably wind up having to do anyway. Time-wise, we're probably looking at 4 or 5 hours on this car, so labor in the $300 to $400 range, and we'll see what the parts costs and call the customer. Thank you, Chris, Mainline Auto. Good. Upload.